guys, welcome to Doug's Basement Workshop. If you're watching this video, either you're a subscriber to my channel and you know what we do here, or you've purchased one of my kits. This video is for my dice cart, and you're here to see how to assemble it because I didn't put any directions in here because it's easier for me to show you than to try and write out directions for this. This is a simple project, guys. If you want to glue it together, I use Loctite and I use stuff that I drop on the floor. I use Starbond accelerator spray. So this is very simple assembly. This particular project does not need glue, but if you have young people who are going to be taking it apart and putting it back together, eventually you'll have to glue it together. I'm going to move the camera so you can see what my hands are doing, and then we'll be all finished. Hey guys, if you want to see other projects before they come out into the Etsy shop or down at the farmer's market, feel free to like and subscribe to this channel. You can see stuff before anyone else does. Alright guys, I'm going to hope that this is coming through well enough for you guys to see what I'm doing. This is your base piece. There's no up or down to this. It really doesn't matter which way it goes. These are your side pieces. You should have a little thin stick. That's your axle. These are your tires. This is the front of your cart, and this is the back of your cart. So we're going to take the back of the cart, we're going to slide that on first. We're going to take the front of the cart and put that on second. So the little curve is down on the front. On the back, you've got the little curved pieces going towards the bottom. Okay, and that's the front. So we're going to keep the curves both heading towards the bottom. Take our side piece, slide it in. Now like I said, this doesn't really need glue. The fit is pretty tight the way it is. Don't be afraid to push a little bit as you're putting it together. Now I use super glue because it dries clear. If I wanted to color this with Sharpie or paint, I would probably paint or Sharpie the sides and the pieces before I glue it together so the glue doesn't stop it from taking the color. I've taken the axle and I've put it into the tire. There we go. I put it in, and with one tire on the axle, I'm going to feed it into the round hole on the side. Right there, pops out the other side, and I'm just going to put the other axle on. It's easier if you're not trying to watch a camera and assemble at the same time, guys. And there we go, all done. And I don't know if it shows up on camera, but it does actually roll back and forth. So there we go. The dice kit. Dice cart, fully assembled. No glue needed, but optional, and it's not going to hurt a thing. Now if I was going to glue these axles on, I will put a dot of glue on the outside and then stand it up. That way your glue doesn't seep in and stick to the inside and glue your wheels in place, unless you don't care about that, in which case it doesn't matter. Alright guys, you guys have a good day. Thanks for stopping by, and remember, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.